We have seen 18 clients who have come through. We expect some more if there's more rain, but if it breaks up, then great. I don't expect people will need to stay too long. We have plenty of capacity for almost 200 residents, plenty of food, power, blankets. So if people do want to come and seek shelter, we do ask they bring their own pillow and blankets if they have them, just so we don't run short, but plenty of food, coffee, drinks. We saw some downed trees while we were traveling around yesterday, some winds, but mostly people are just taking an abundance of precaution by coming out sooner before they get stuck in their homes, which of course is appreciated. So we've had a few clients come and check out their homes and report back. They've reported that they had some branches down, but they've all been able to access their homes. They're all livable so far.